Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. At the 2024 Arizona Concours, we saw so many gorgeous vehicles, but this one was definitely one that stood out to us, and we wanted to bring it to you guys. This was a Rolls-Royce Phantom III, and it was introduced in 1936, and it was a pretty big deal for Rolls-Royce. It marked their entry into the multi-cylinder market, alongside other luxury brands like Pierce Arrow and Hispano Suiza. The previous model, the Phantom II, had already solidified Rolls-Royce's reputation, so the pressure was on to deliver something incredible, especially because this was the time of the multi-cylinder race between manufacturers. The Phantom III came with an all-new V12 engine, a pretty big departure from their traditional inline-six. This 7.3-liter engine was made of aluminum alloy, and it was also the last car designed under the leadership of Sir Henry Royce, though he didn't get to live to see it go into production. Like its predecessors, the Phantom III was a hit among royalty and the elite, especially in India. The Maharajas, or princes, were particularly fond of Rolls-Royce vehicles. These rulers had immense wealth and a love for luxury, with about 800 Rolls-Royces delivered to India before World War II. The relationship started strong in 1907 when a Silver Ghost completed a tough reliability trial in India, spurring lots of orders from the ruling elite. Now let's talk about this specific Phantom III, serial number 3AZ178. This beauty was owned by, and forgive my pronunciation, Maharaja Bahadur Sir Kameshwar Singh of Darbhanga, one of the wealthiest state rulers in India. Interestingly, the car wasn't initially his. It was first owned by Joseph Coppinger of London, but quickly sold it to the Maharaja, who had it rebodied by Thrupp and Mayberly. The Maharaja toured Europe with it before shipping it back to India in 1938, making it only the second Phantom III to arrive there. This car stayed in his collection until his death in 1962. In the late 1960s, it was brought back to England and later, in 2006, restored in the USA by classic car expert Fran Roxas. Mechanically, the V12 engine, running gear, and chassis were found to be in remarkably great condition, likely due to a no-expense-spared maintenance throughout its whole life. The 25,000 miles shown on the odometer are believed to be genuine, and the car has never been completely apart. The engine has been meticulously serviced and presents beautifully, both cosmetically and mechanically. This Phantom III has won several awards, including Best in Class for pre-war Rolls-Royce at the 2017 Amelia Island Concours and Best in Class here at the 2024 Arizona Concours. Breathtaking would be an understatement to say the least. We were lucky enough to see this gorgeous vehicle in person and film it at the Arizona Concours. It looked absolutely brand new, and it's crazy to see a vehicle that old in such phenomenal condition. We had a great time at the event, and this Rolls-Royce was definitely a highlight. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Don't forget about Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.